Today we're going to look at vertical method for addition. Some kids might just know it as lining up the numbers, but we will call it vertical method. Again, we're going to start with our ones place. Now here I've actually drawn the lines to signify hundreds, tens, and ones. Some kids may choose to do that to help with organization and others may not. This might help especially when you're doing 3 digits plus 2 digits to make sure the numbers are in the right place value spot. So let's go ahead and start with our ones. 7 plus 2 more is 9. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 5 plus 1 more is 6. So our answer for this one is 679. Now this is a pretty easy problem for many kids because it's basic addition. Now we're going to use the vertical method though when we have to regroup by making a new group of 10 or a new group of 100. So we're going to look at 567 plus 115. Again, I'm going to draw my lines just to help with organization. I'm going to start with the ones. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, some students may write the 12 out here just to help them remember. Others may keep it in their head. This is a good way to show them why the 2 goes down here and the 1, or the group of 10, goes to the middle. So here we know that the 2 comes here because that's the ones spot, so it's going to stay in the ones column. And we're left with this 1, or 10. That needs to go in the tens spot. Now, some students may put it above, which is fine, or others may put it down here to show again there's their 12, the 1 and the 2. Either way is fine as long as it remains in the tens column. So now I have 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So my answer is 682. Let's take a look at regrouping when we have it for 2 of the numbers rather than just 1. So we'll look at 567 plus 158. And again, I'm going to draw those lines to help with organization. So here we start with our ones column, 7 plus 8, which equals 15. I'm going to put my remaining ones down here, 5, and my group of 10 in the tens column. Now I have 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Again, some students might draw an arrow to show that 12. Most will just keep it in their head. So my 2, which stands for 20, because this is 120 since it's in the tens, will remain down here, and my group of 100 will travel to the 100 spot. Students may put it down here or back up here. When it's down here, it's a little bit easier for them to still see that 12 that they made, or earlier that 15 that they made. So now I'm going to add 5 plus 1, which is 6, and 1 more, which is 7. That's the way you can use the vertical method to solve addition problems.